RMW produces completely custom-made home furniture, which is sold through specialist retailers. The individuality of the furniture is what sets us apart, and it's also our safeguard for manufacturing here in Germany. Our challenge was that we were operating several different systems. On one hand, an ERP system, but on the other, a production control system. We wanted to bring the ERP system up to a modern standard.
The fact that I still have to file delivery notes manually in 2025 is something I find super inefficient. Back then, work in the high bay warehouse was primarily managed using manual Excel spreadsheets.
We were getting overwhelmed by item maintenance. We could no longer map out all of our individual requirements in the system.
The main challenge we faced was really that we depended heavily upon our employees' gut feeling, which was consistently good, of course. But we wanted to arrive at a point where we actually have a solid basis of figures and data.
We want to become even more individual, we want to get even better, and that requires a good digitalization strategy and partners. We first conducted an analysis phase with COSMO, which we reviewed very critically, and at the end of this analysis phase, it was clear we can use the system.
The primary challenge in this regard was first the creation of a clearly defined process and then, of course, establishing it among the employees. Well, it's fundamentally the case that change is difficult for everyone at first. In the final analysis, the employees also stand to benefit when the items they need for production are actually present on site, and there is no unexpected downtime.
We made a strategic commitment to a Microsoft landscape because user-friendliness and usability are the primary areas of focus there. Additionally, Microsoft provides a wide variety of tools within Business Central or CRM to tailor and adapt our business processes individually to our specific needs.
Today, we work with advanced barcoded storage locations so our warehouse staff can easily scan goods upon their removal. This systematic process automatically reduces the inventory levels within Business Central and allows the corresponding order to be triggered for the next stage.
Before, we couldn't perform ad hoc data analysis. That is now a very, very big advantage. We can react much better and faster to changes.
Now we don't just have the employee's gut feeling, but we also have the actual figures that back up that gut feeling.
We committed ourselves to building up a proper quality management system. With the QMP, we're able to move away from managing different documents in different places. Instead, we have everything centralized in one single location. We definitely need COSMO's Discrete Manufacturing, as we would be unable to plan our custom furniture without this add-on. The variant capability of this module is the absolute foundation for everything we do.
Unfortunately, we're currently living in a time where the world faces various crises and we have to react to these crises. And especially with Business Central, we can now say, okay, what do we have in the future and can we really cover that? And we now have the opportunity to look into the future. I have to say the cooperation with COSMO is really very good. You're assigned a contact person I can call at any time, and they provide direct feedback on every question.
In the selection process, we chose COSMO, primarily from a human perspective. I would strongly advise every medium-sized company to proactively deal with digitalization, because the current challenges and the coming challenges ahead can primarily only be solved in this way.